Hi there, it's Alex from WTI. If you want a perfect cup of coffee every time you go to have one, look no further than this Nespresso machine. I'm talking the best coffee I've ever had. And I like to think I'm an avid coffee drinker, but when I first tried the Nespresso for the first time, it was a game changer, that's for sure. Let me show you how easy it is to use. So, the machine's on, you place your cup here, you pop open the top, the old one goes in, place the new one down, close it up, lock it, give it a sec, and you're gonna push the button. Raring to go. In less than 2 minutes, you have a beautiful cup of coffee. And I like that this is a more compact version in case you have less counter space. And there it is, just like that. Like I said, this is a nice compact version, but it still has the power of all of the bigger versions of the Nespresso makers. There's still quite a bit of a nice water reservoir. It holds quite a bit still. Now this is the best part. Now there's no dairy in this, but look at the froth that every time it comes in. It smells delicious. This froth is just worth the whole thing because that's the best part. That's in my opinion. I'm gonna go enjoy yet another amazing coffee from Nespresso, and that's my point of view.